Hi, this is Rafsan. In this video I am going to show you how you can fix the problem of Filmora not opening after upgrade Windows 11 and also learn how you can easily install Wondershare Filmora in your Windows 11. Here you are seeing I am trying to open Filmora but it's not opening. First of all we have to uninstall our previous Filmora. Then we will clean the registry and junk file. I am here using IOBit uninstaller to uninstall Filmora and advanced system care for delete the previous registry. You can use your default software also. You can also check the description. You will find all the necessary tools and software. You will get all instruction and software for free. Then download the Filmora from the description link below and just follow me and install it and enjoy. Feel free to comment if it works or not. Also hit the subscribe button to get more happy tips and tricks. Till then, stay and safe.